All right, so now we're gonna try to install. I'll just show you how to um, just like Java, set up Kotlin compiler because I'll also be doing a whole tutorial series with Kotlin, so you can even just test out some things here on the website. Just go to kotlinlang.org where you'll be let me see if I can find that thing here, where you'll be able to like get a link to download the Kotlin compiler. And yeah, you can use Kotlin in IntelliJ, IDEA, Android Studio, Eclipse. I actually have IntelliJ and Android Studio installed on this computer because I use them differently. So you click on that link and then click on GitHub releases. I think scroll all the way down and then get the zip file, Kotlin compiler. Get that zip file. Just download that. And then the first one, so get the first one here. Once it downloads, you open the file location, extract the file, and then copy that file to like I usually put the file in like the C drive. I'll show you all here in a bit. So it's done downloading, right? Showing folder. Right click on this, extract all. It's gonna extract to here, a different folder in the same location, right? So just close this out. So right, the folder is here. Copy this one or cut it. Go to C drive, paste it here, and then I usually just like things simple, so I'll just rename this file to Kotlin. And then we're looking for the bin folder, so yeah, this is the bin folder here, and then copy the address. Right click on the bar here and select copy address. Now we're gonna have to paste this address in the system path. So environmental variables, look for path, double click on that, and then new, add a new one to the list here, new, paste, Ctrl V, and then OK, and OK. Now let's check if Windows has recognized that this has been put in here. We're going to open click on start and then search cmd command prompt and then Kotlin version, boom. So Windows does in fact recognize that we've added this Kotlin compiler to the system path here. And I mean, if you're using one of the tools like IntelliJ or Android Studio, you probably don't have to install this, but if you want to do some command line things with Kotlin, you can just get that. So let's go along and download Visual Studio. We're gonna search download Visual Studio, open usually the first link, and then get this is a Windows computer, so we're gonna get the Windows version 64-bit installer, user installer, I guess. So just download, just click download. It should get you like the right one if you just click on download. So click on download, wait for the file to finish downloading, right? And then we'll just either double click or select open file, whichever one, and then install Android Studio. Accept, next. You can change the installation location if you want to, default, next. Next, you can create a desktop shortcut if you want to, or choose any other option here if you understand what it's talking about. But next, Yeah, next, and then install. And I'm using Visual Studio Code because we're basically going to be doing more of learning the basics, right? So this is like one of the easiest tools editors I can use to show you guys how to do things really easy. I'll go ahead and install some extensions. Click on, I think, the one at the bottom there, to find the extension. So extensions, and then you can just from here just grab popular. I get like a couple popular extensions to help make coding a little easier. Like with things like intelligent. Like if you make a mistake, it points out where you made the error and stuff. So the first one I'm gonna get here, Kotlin. Just search Kotlin and then install. Install Kotlin. I think Kotlin language as well. Yeah, Kotlin language. And you can read about the features, the features and the usage and everything. Kotlin language, the same thing. You can like read to get an idea of what thing is you're installing. Even I think Code Runner is also one of the good things you should get. IntelliCode, if you want to, like just make your suggestions and autocomplete and all that stuff. It's kind of important, because we are just humans and we always make mistakes. So I like when I have these things to refer to when I'm developing. Code Runner is kind of nice because you can basically just run lines of code if you want to. So I like to have that one installed as well. And some other Java, because we're going to use this for both Java and Kotlin. So some other Java extensions, just click, just like I did with Kotlin. You can just click there and search for Java, and then put some of the important Java tools like debugging for Java extension Spark, and then you get all those, everything just installed. I'm gonna be doing this step by step, so I don't think you guys will be lost. You just have to if I'm going too fast, you just have to what's this? You just have to pause. Okay, so we have Java 11 will soon be minimum requirement. Okay, so currently I have Java 8 on this system. I'll probably have to make another video with the setup for Java 11. I'll make that shortly and upload. So if you're doing this, just probably go ahead and use Java 11 instead of Java 8 that I had showed up earlier. Let me see. If you click on get the Java development kit, do you want to go extension website? Okay. Looks like Edge here. Okay, let's see. Alright, looks as if I have to do the whole thing, Well, I'll just make another video with this, so it should be short and concise. I don't want to make long videos for everything, so I'll do that later. And yeah, so we're going to be using Visual Studio Code, right, just to learn the basics, and then eventually I will go ahead and show real life applications of what we're going to learn on all this series. Okay, so it's not just that we're learning stuff without them having any applications or stuff. Okay, all right, catch you in the next video.